Hi guys, this is Shruti. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel and this is not going to be my introduction video because I did not really want to do a separate introduction video. I just wanted to put out content. Like, I don't want to say a lot. I have been wanting to do YouTube for the longest time now. The first video that I ever created was in 2015, which definitely never got uploaded. But I'll try to, if I'm able to like find the clips of that video, I will definitely insert those clips. I never uploaded the video because I wasn't confident enough back then. Hopefully this video gets uploaded. I don't know, we'll see about that. I'll be posting content like every week. I don't think I'm going to follow any sort of pattern on this channel. I would just film and try and put videos that I like to watch. So yeah, if you guys like anything fashion, beauty and lifestyle, you guys should definitely stick around. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, you should definitely keep watching. I'm going to moisturize my face with the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Take like a good amount of moisturizer because that will also help your makeup to set better. The next thing I do is I prime my face. For primer, I'm using the Colourbar Perfect Match Primer. I don't really like this primer that much, but yeah, I'm just gonna work with it because I have it. Actually, I really wanna try out the Benefits Professional Primer. Yeah, that's what I wanna try out next. Okay. The next step is foundation. Okay, so a lot of people don't like to wear foundation on a daily basis, so that's totally on you. I mostly prefer using foundation because I don't like to conceal my face every day, so I just apply foundation. I have to take my beauty blender. Blend this all in. Blending is the key, guys. I'm sure you must have heard all the YouTubers and all the people who make these beauty videos say that. I know it's damn annoying, but yeah, while you're doing your makeup, that's the key. You have to blend your makeup so that it doesn't look cakey.
One eternity later.
Also guys, it's summer, so make sure you're wearing your sunscreen. I don't use concealer every day, but just because I'm filming this video today, I thought I might as well use a little bit of concealer. Like, I don't go too crazy with my concealer. It's just like these 3 little dots under my eyes. Also, I have this blemish. Growing up, I had a lot of problem with acne. Not that my skin is very great now, but yeah, like, it works. It's not that bad. So I have this blemish over here. I try to cover that. Any other blemishes that I want to cover, I'm gonna like use a smaller beauty blender to like, so that it blends properly.
A few moments later.
So I think I am done blending. I basically like to bake. Now, I was not this person who would bake their face, but lately I've gotten into it. I use this Inglot's translucent powder. So I'm just gonna bake my face. Also, if you don't like baking, you can totally skip this. You can just, you know, use your regular compact powder or whatever you guys prefer. It's not too crazy, just a little bit. Also, I don't have a big mirror, So I'm just trying to like look in the screen. It's not going to be precise. Okay, so while it's baking, I will quickly do my brow. I'm out of my eyebrow pencil, so I'm just gonna use this Gigi Hadid palette. The color that I'm going to use is East Valley. It's a really dark brown color, so it just works well for my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in with it. I know, like, I am not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to use a proper eyebrow pencil, but I just don't have it right now. I need to buy a new one, so I'm just gonna like work with this. Basically, I'm just trying to fill in the sparse areas. I don't like to do anything crazy with my brows. See the difference? Like, you can tell, right? And do the same with the other eye. You know, if you are like me, I always have trouble doing my other brow, like my left brow. I don't know why, but yeah, it never gets better. So now that I'm done with my brows, I'm gonna quickly, I don't know if I should do a bronzer. I think I'll just do a little bit. So usually what I do is I go like this. I try to see where my cheekbone area goes, from the top of my ear to the bottom of my lip, and I'll do a couple dots, like just a couple of them. So I'm going to use this contour brush and blend.
A few moments later.
See that? I know my powder has been sitting for a long time, but quickly we'll just do a little bit of blush. I'm using Chanel in the shade. I'm out of it, like almost. This is my favorite blush. Tap it and just a little bit. I won't go too crazy with it. Sometimes if I'm not wearing a bronzer, I will go crazy with my blush, like I will just apply blush on my cheeks. But yeah, today that we're wearing bronzer, I'm just gonna like do a little dab of blush. So now that we're done with the bronzer and blush, I will just quickly dust off all the powder. Also, you just baked under your eyes and near your like cheek area, so I will just take a bit more powder and quickly just put it on my forehead. Just need to fix my hair. Yeah. Okay, this is my NYX Professional Dewy Finish long lasting setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray. This is optional, like do it if you want to. I just do it because I like it. Highlight your face if you want to. I don't personally like to highlight my face every day, so I'm just going to skip that. And for the lips, I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in Ginger. Yeah, I'm just going to use that. Also, I don't do eyeshadow on a daily basis, so I haven't done anything to my eyes, but you can do whatever you like. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. Also turn on the notification bell so that way you get notified when I upload my videos. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and comment down below on what kind of videos you guys would want me to do, and I will see you guys in my next video.